You know, the most difficult part of giving a persuasive or influential presentation is when it's difficult. It's easy to give a presentation when I'm giving good news or if it's neutral, like there's coffee in the other room. But when I have to persuade people for new behaviors, new attitudes, a new change management process, a new vision or strategy that we're trying to move to the company, and I have to move large groups of individuals or sometimes just one person, there takes real persuasion strategy and critical thinking that comes into play. So in part of the course, we do look at models. So different forms of persuasive models, different business pitch models, so that you have the critical thinking framework in order to be able to deliver that persuasive presentation. And then the other thing we really focus on is not just the words and the structure and the model, but we're also looking at the tone of your voice, which is a huge part of persuasion. And then really big part of the persuasion face-to-face is your body language. So that's everything from your facial expressions to how you stand to how you use the room. And so it's that combination of all three of those things together that really does make your presentation more persuasive and more influential.